Welcome to the Community Calendar. I'm Raina. I'm filling in as host today. And today we have Ruby Keene with us. Ruby, how are you?
I'm just great. Thank you for asking.
Yes. Well, thanks for being here. And we're talking about the Cabin Fever Supper. So tell us about that.
Okay, well, we've been doing suppers at Grace Lutheran Church for a long time. It's 1974, and I love to organize things, so this is just kind of my forte. I love this. But we're having a Cabin Fever Supper on March 19th, which is not too far from now, and we're having mashed potatoes and gravy and meatballs and lefse, corn, French bread, coleslaw, pickles, beverages, and of course, I did mention lefse.
Well, you had me at dinner.
Yeah, it's a good dinner, and I think it's kind of like a comfort dinner because it's just such good things and fellowship, and it is just a fun thing to do, and it's the weather has been beautiful, so hopefully it'll still be beautiful on March 19th. It's from 4 till 7.
Okay. Yeah, and there is just something about a church dinner that I don't know. It always has a special place in my heart and my stomach. So,
yeah, and it's good, to come together with couples and meet couples. And I just want to say too that sometime the nursing home brings a van load of people, and maybe they're in wheelchairs, and we've got the perfect church to come to for that because you can come in the south door. That is a flat sidewalk. And you can park there, lots of parking. You can come in the west door, that's flat to get into the church, and lots of parking. The north door has a ramp. There's lots of parking there, and the north door has a ramp. And so you can get in that side too. And if you do want to come in a group, if you just call ahead of time, that would be helpful because then we can move chairs away. For the people in the wheelchairs, you can move chairs away from a table. And you could also, if you want to pick up tickets ahead of time so you don't have to stand in line when you get there, you can call or stop in at the church 9 to 12 on Thursday or Friday and pick up tickets.
How about takeout? Are you guys offering takeout at all?
Oh, absolutely. I'm glad you mentioned that so I didn't forget it. Yes, we do takeout. And if you have takeout, you can just pay for your dinner and come right back to the kitchen, and we will send out takeout boxes. We have all the stuff to do that with.
Perfect. And adult tickets are $12. Kids ages 4 to 10 are $5, and kids 3 and under are free. And what is the money going towards for this?
The money is going to go towards campers that are going to camp, and then also for maintenance of the church. And we have also, what else was I going to mention? Something I forgot here for just a minute. Wheelchair accessible, lots of parking, and and the desserts. I wanted to be sure to mention the desserts because they are not desserts that you can pick up with your fingers. They're going to be nice, fluffy desserts.
Excellent. And so when you said the proceeds go to campers, what does that mean?
The kids go to camp, and it helps defray the cost of their going to camp because I don't know how much camp is, but that can send more kids to camp. The better it is. So.
Perfect. And this is Grace Lutheran Church in Detroit Lakes, and that's the church on the hill, right? Right, yep. Kind of by the middle school and elementary school.
Yep, up the hill from Casey's, the church with the 3 crosses on the hill, and yes, right to the north of the junior high school.
Perfect. Okay, so that is the Cabin Fever Supper. Give us the dates again, Ruby.
Okay, March 19th, which is a Saturday, and it's from 4 till 7. And come one, come all. Bring your friends. Good time to get out and get out of the hibernation. And I'm just sick of winter, so it's a good time to get out.
Yes, we've kind of been spoiled this week. It's been in the 20s this week, so it's been great. Gets you in the mood for going out for supper. And so that is, again, tickets $12 for adults. Kids ages 4 to 10 are $5, and kids 3 and under are free. And then takeout is available and then they'll also have dessert and lefse. So, Ruby, well, thanks for... Oh, yeah.
One more thing. I should mention the telephone number, because if you want to call in, you could also do that. The number is 218-847-4568.
All right. Well, thanks for coming on the community calendar today and talking about this supper. And we hope you have a big turnout and raise money for those kids. So thanks, Ruby.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for joining the community calendar. If you would like to have your event on our community calendar, we can do it in person like we did here with Ruby, or we can do it over Zoom. Just reach out to me with in my email on the screen there, or you can call 846-9669. Thanks very much.